morning, troopers. Hope everybody's well. Uncle, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can, my brother. How you doing?
Good. It's a Friday. Not last day of the week. What is actually last day of the week?
Saturday.
Saturday is the last day of the week, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Last day of the trading.
Not really.
But no, two trades into the fix. Do cryptos actually move, or even can we get like move drastically? Do they make decent moves?
You know, at times, sometimes, you know, you would find those moves, but not all the time. Not all the time. Yeah. Choppers, hope everybody is well. We are about to start shortly. Miss Gama is gonna join us during the stream. She's with us. She's just at the back. She's just at the back. She's wrapping up something now, and then she's gonna join us. But she's with us. She's with us. So in the next 15 to 30 minutes, Miss Gama will be here with us. Can we start off with prayer, my brother?
Yes, please lead the way, my good sir.
Am I the one who prayed last time, or was it you?
Let us be.
Right, Choppers, let's bow our heads and pray. Father, in the name of Jesus, Lord, we thank you for yet another day. Lord, this is a day that you have made, and we believe that as much as you are the beginning and the end, you already know the end of this day. Whatever outcome, we believe that it is your will, as we say in your word, that let your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. We pray that you've given us this bread, which is what we do, Father. You've given us this opportunity to feed our families with this craft, with this type of business. We only pray that you guide us and give us emotional intelligence as well as wisdom on how to approach this market, and those that are feeling down because of the drawdowns and those that are overconfident, Lord, give them more wisdom to be ahead in this market. In the name of Jesus, we are asking and we are saying amen, and may the choppers say amen and amen.
Amen. Amen.
Happy Friday, family.
Happy Friday, Papa Jimmy.
Are we going there already? Are we going there already?
And I got with Papa Jimmy last week. Last time.
Are we going there already? But I think results don't lie, right?
Yeah.
As long as I keep on winning German 40 trades, I don't see why not. Let's mark the register quickly. Savage is in the house. Say another day, another W stream. Say good morning, Mr. President, and the Honorable Minister of TA. So the Honorable Minister of TA is just on the back office, saying good morning, Papa Germany. First man is also in the house. Say good morning, Mr. President, and the Honorable Miss Gama and Malume Souls, first man on the ball. Becky Kunen is in the house. Zoro Kuto is also in the house. Our Secretary General is in the house. Real Nadol is also in the house. We've got the informative channel. Say good morning, Choppers. Today is a free cash day. Yes, I couldn't agree more. Free cash day today. Let's make some cash today, guys. Let's make some cash. Babalo is also in the house. Wilson Shabang is saying good morning, Choppers. Reta is also in the house. Samsung is saying good morning, Papa Jamie and Uncle Souls. Yeah, man. Let's see if we can take another German. Let's see if we can take another German this morning, man. This thing has been paying our bills so nicely this past 2-3 weeks. I don't see why not. Prof Zos is in the house. Good to see you, my friend. Malus is also in the house. We also have Maggie. Maggie is also in the house. Harold is also in the house. Yeah, Choppers, good morning. Thank you so much for tuning in. Angosos, what do we have there, my friend?
All right. I'm still looking, but Euro NZD that I'm looking to take advantage of this today, going into the next week. So I just said, yeah, I'm basically just as I think on Wednesday we caught that GBP USD went up about 300 pips or so.
That was a beautiful trade,
now
man.
I'm looking to see if I can get in on this Euro NZD. Still checking. ISO booty is it?
Okay.
Yeah, the GBP NZD, yeah.
Yeah, today, I don't know. Today, are you in Cape Town today? Are you in Cape Town there, uncle? Yeah.
And I wanted to ask you that if you're in Cape Town.
No. I should be asking you because your network today is
Having Cape Town vibes.
It's having Cape Town vibes, man. It's having Cape Town vibes. I don't know what's going on.
Oh, it's a Friday, my friend. I don't know what's up as well. But I think it's better now. It's fine now.
Yeah, I think we should be fine now.
Okay. Okay, cool. All right, yeah. So, why am I approaching this Euro NZD? Similar setup, same playbook. You can see the supply that failed became a demand. Flip. So same thing that I'm anticipating on Euro NZD. We had a reaction of a supply here, which did not really materialize to the downside. Then it finally just broke, and we've got our decision point there. On the 30 minutes, I did see something that could possibly happen here. Yeah, this an area of just watch, but my ultimate level is just on the down bend around 190 is longs again.
Yeah, your network is not good there, my brother, today. I don't know what's going on. Can you hear me though? Sos, can you hear me? You just got cut off there. Yeah, it seems like we're having some.
I can hear you. Just that delay thing again.
Yeah, I think Uncle is having issues there with the network, so I'm all alone here, Choppers. But yeah, we'll try to get him back on. What are we looking at today, Choppers? Can I start with Nasdaq, please? There's something that I'm looking at here on the NAS 100. I'm looking to counter this, ladies and gentlemen. I don't want to lie to you. For the fact that we reached the high of 23,980, it's also a good sign. I think it shows the strength of this Nasdaq. And I know many can say, President, let's reload more positions. We retested 23,720 or so. Let's go to the upside. I'm not looking to do that. This morning, this is what I'll be doing on Nasdaq. And these are intraday setups, guys. What I'm going to be looking for is something like this. I need a candle that will close below my view up, just like so. This is what I'm going to be looking at on NAS 100 today. Let me also try to do this. Something like this. This is what I'm expecting today on this NAS 100. Then maybe I can strike from this level back to this low here. Take a quick scalp there to the downside. This is what I'm going to be looking at today. Maybe put my stops here. I might as well go for 1:3 risk to what ratio on this one. I might as well. I don't think anything is stopping me from doing that. So that's what I'm going to be looking at today on NAS 100. But I need an indication that we are closing below VWAP, because from this point I think we can ultimately make a new high. So you know how I trade, guys. I'm just looking for those counter trades, go in, come out, and prepare myself from a longer movement, long-term movement. So that's how I'm going to be approaching Nasdaq today. German is gone, guys. Like, we've been buying German, and I think we are tired of buying German, man. We had a trade. We've been buying German from 23,950. This is a level, by the way, guys. Okay, we started buying it at 23,870. We went nicely with it to the upside. We had another reload at 23,950. We sold it at 24,200, which was a psychological level, by the way. And one of the reasons why we sold this, it was a clear indication that this is a close below VWAP. The buyers are trapped to the upside. On Wednesday, right, we took another buy here. It was a beautiful setup, but unfortunately I got stopped out on break even. I took this on Wednesday with you guys. This thing didn't want to go to my TP, man. This thing didn't want to go to my TP. I updated you guys on the group. For those of you that are in our private group, I updated you that I'm putting my stops on break even, and I did that, but unfortunately I got stopped out on break even, and this thing shot all the way to the upside. As you know, when it comes to German, I don't keep my trades overnight, right? So one can say, President, are we buying German again? No, we can't, because we are having a bit of traffic here. This is a key level here that one needs to look at. Let me get another nice color there, right? So I'm looking at this level again, 24,500. It's a psychological level there, folks. So let's be careful what we do at this level. I wouldn't want to do anything on German this morning. I need to see how we hold at this level, then I can start making decisions from there. But as it is for now, I'm on the sideline. So this morning, folks, don't call me Papa Jimmy, because I don't have anything. I don't have anything on German as yet. But definitely Nasdaq, I'll be looking at taking some sell short positions. Nasdaq is up by 0.3%. German is also up by 0.41%. USD is up by 4.49%. It might be that it's a session open. There can be some traps there, especially on German, since it's London session that is going to open up. Euro dollar, I'll be honest with you, $1.16 is where I can be looking at some sell short positions to go to the downside, and I'll tell you why. I'm doing that. Again, we are on a serious upward trend as far as the 1 hour time frame is concerned. Break, retest, reload. Break, retest, reload. I don't know, man. With your opinion again, always valued here, guys. I don't know. What are you guys thinking of euro dollar? I wouldn't want to buy it, man. I don't know. I don't see any buy, because I think a lot of retail traders will want to buy this. I mean, we broke, retested, it bought, broke this level here, $1.1632, retested, it's still buying. So my take on this is we might have a sell short position. Let me see something. I'm going to put my alert here at $1.1680. Remove my fib. So this is where I'm going to have my setup there on euro dollar. Between $1.1680 and $1.1695. This is where I can potentially look for my sell short positions here on euro dollar. So yeah, I know it's not fashionable to be bearish on this, but I'm going to be short-term bearish. I might as well look to be taking at least 40 pips or so to the downside. I don't know, guys, what's your take?
Alright, I think I agree with that. I have a similar setup around 1682, but yeah, that's what I'm anticipating as well. I push just a little bit up here and then the drop to the downside there.
All right, I'm going to let me try to see if I can put your chart on the screen there, my brother. Let me see. Oops. Choppers, can we like the stream in the meantime?
Peace. The prioritize of it. That's it.
Okay, I'm going to ask you to are you sharing your screen now?
Yes, it is.
Okay, can you stop sharing it?
Okay, sure. And share it again.
Yeah, you can just simply cancel.
Oh. I think I see what was the issue. Sorry. Ish. Tick.
It's a Friday today. Uncle, I don't know what's going on with the uncle today, Choppers. Uncle seems I don't know, Uncle, what's going on today?
And the last time Mobile told me is like this age of yours.
Can I let me put Uncle on the spot, guys? Who's still using Edge as a browser? Guys, Uncle is so old that he's still using Edge. You know Edge as a browser.
Should be fine by now, my friend.
No, it's not. It's not fine. I think try to thingy there. Cancel what you have there.
Okay, sure. It's cancelled now, no?
Because I have you on screen, and you can hear me. You can hear me well, right?
Yeah, clear. I realized what was causing the audio issue. There's something on my side. Now I'm sharing my screen. You should see my screen.
So funny thing is that when you share your screen, when I try to put your thing it puts you. It doesn't want to put you. I guess today you don't want to trade. You just want your face to appear.
There's no levels on my face.
Nah, it's still, brother. It's not.
Okay.
Yeah, guys. Maybe come out and come back on again, guys. Source is still using Microsoft Edge as a browser. I don't know who's still using that. I really don't know who's still using that. I don't know. But yeah, Source is still using that. Informative channel say euro dollar is still on an upward trend. It looks like it will complete the bullish move next week. Samson says I'm also looking for sells on EU. Prof Zone says yep, I would also I would also look to sell until $1.16 makes sense, my friend. How can I get into the private group? Send us a text there, and then we're gonna give you all the details there. Zanokanyo. Yep.
The age boy is back. I'm back with an age. Should be fine now, huh?
No, it's not. I'm gonna fix it now. Just 1 second.
Okay, sure. This savage is also getting on savage.
Yeah, uncle is back on now. Let me try to get uncle's thingy on screen now. Yep, uncle, your screen is back on, my brother.
Right, fantastic. So yeah, I think just I was also looking at these levels here for some short.
Oh, you're also looking to sell euro dollar.
Yeah, I'm also looking for some shots around 1682.
Yeah, I've got 1680.
Yeah, absolutely. So that should be fine. So I'm also this is the area that I'm looking at. But I must say though, normally in levels like this, because it's for me it's this now. My approach is if it's on a higher time frame zone, then I'd go in according to my risk plan.
Yeah.
But if I find setups on a lower time frame, I normally reduce that risk. So I reduce that because of the probability of it failing. So
Sure.
this is one of those because I'm still waiting for my for this key decision point just up here around the 1750. $1 17.50. So this is where I'm actually looking for long-term shorts. But in the interim, I do think we can still take some advantage of that. But the most important thing for me and my approach towards this is to reduce risk. So if normally, let me make an example. If I would normally risk 0.5% or a percentage on the particular level, then let's say I risk 1% on the key zone, and then in a zone like this one that we have now, I risk half. So I'll just reduce my risk by half and let it play out and see how it will go. But I've got the same outlook as well on EU.
Okay. Secretary General is asking if we can look at Bitcoin. We're gonna do that. Savage is saying no glasses today, Mr. President. I have a very disturbing story to tell about my glasses, man. So if I lose trades today, blame it on me not seeing the prices right. They say a trader has an excuse for everything. My 3-year-old man is behaving funny these days, man. She's hiding everything. So she hid my glasses. She doesn't remember where she hid them. Sad. It's a sad story, man. It's a sad story, man. Like, I don't know what's going on with my daughter. Like, I really don't. I looked for them everywhere, so I'm gonna have to order new pair of glasses.
And then once those ones arrive, then you find these ones.
Exactly, that's what I was actually thinking. But I looked for them yesterday, man. Like I looked everywhere. She forgot. The other time, like she's just hiding everything.
Yeah.
It's a game to her.
And then she forget.
And then that's the thing. She after 15 minutes, just literally 15 minutes, she forgot where she hid this stuff. The other time she hid my phone. I found it. Remember I told you I'm doing a garden thing, so I just found it behind where I've planted something. Can you believe it?
She was planting.
She was planting. Oh yeah, I see it. So she was planting apple there.
Yeah. She wanted an apple tree.
Yeah, she wanted an apple tree. So yeah, man. Malawi is saying all children go through that stage. Wait till they hide your phone or TV. She's already done that, man. Like
hide a TV.
I mean TV remote.
Oh, hey.
Yeah, TV remote.
What kind of kids do you guys have?
Yeah. So, I'm just going through the most in regards to that, man. But yeah, with your prayers, I'll be fine, guys. So now we also have to hide things so that she doesn't hide them. You know, now we are playing hide and seek and hiding things now. Yeah, let's have a look at Bitcoin. Sure. British pound USD, by the way. Secretary General, just before I go to Bitcoin, we wanted to reload positions at $1.35 on British pound USD. This was a psychological level there. It was going to be a beautiful setup for us to reload to go to the upside. So we were trying to see if maybe we can get 70 cents on the money, $1.35.70 or so, just to go to the upside. But unfortunately, we never got that. This thing just decided to go to the upside, break above $1.35.20, and we see that it had stops at $1.35.94. One could have possibly took it until $1.36, but maybe we might possibly go back there. But again, guys, I think there's something going on here. I'm not looking to buy this thing. I'm not looking to buy British pound USD. This for me looks like a trap. Break, retest, buy. Right? Have a look at this. Let me show you guys something. Break, retest, buy, break, retest, buy, break, retest, buy. What do you think retail traders will be doing at this point? they are reloading more positions, especially at $1.35.23. They will reload to go to the upside. I don't see it, man. I don't see it. Uncle, maybe you have a different view on this, but I think at around this level here, we might see this thing drop back to the downside. I've got $1.35.84 there, Uncle. What do you have on British Pound USD?
Okay, two outlooks. I think I discussed this even on Wednesday around this particular area. I said obviously a failure of, or rather a break of this zone, a violation of this level here around $1.35.75. I should see it push up to the upside a little bit. But my view for today, right, is in this particular manner. So remember, I did say my ultimate selling position is my extreme zone that I'm looking at is around $1.37, right?
Yeah.
I'll wait for that. But in the interim, what I'm looking at, or rather what I'm looking to do is two things. I'm actually still trying to evaluate this level. I've got a level now here at $1.35.73 for the short positions. However, I do see a unmitigated zone just above that, and this area could become a trap, as you told, around $1.36 for the short. So what I'm going to do here is this. I'm just going to be a lot more conservative, right, in a manner that I'm just going to wait and see if the market will react to this minor zone that I have at 35.73 or go to the 36.02. Then I'd look for shorts, but I am anticipating to just go just to get a retracement a little bit before going to the upside again. But so yeah, I'd have to wait and see. At the moment, I am I'm on the sidelines at the moment, but looking at the 15 minutes, this would be my approach. So if I can get a pullback to $1.35, let's see, let me get the level correct. Yeah, 35.40. Then I would, if I get the pullback to 35.40 before touching this upper band, I would take the longs just to that that band there, and then look for shorts around at 135.73. So 135.73 is where I'm gonna be observing for short-term shorts, and second level for those shorts is still at 36.02.
Right, same setup as me. I've got what's my price there? Let me see. $1.35.83. That's where I'm anticipating sell short positions.
Sure, more or less around that area. So same area.
Pound dollar is up by 0.23%. Look, I think I'm gonna take a bit of a risk here, Uncle. As much as we are looking to sell this as $1.35.83 or so, I think I'm going to take short-term buy opportunities. I think there's money lying here, man.
Yeah, like right now it's in market.
Yeah, can you see $1.35.64? This is where I think we can have a counter just until we get to this level here. 33 pips or so. You know why I'm saying that? Because I think we might have a lot of retail traders trying to sell this here before time, and they get trapped. Stop losses placed at $1.35.80 or so. That's where we're gonna take our initial shot. So I'm gonna be looking at taking this on 10 minutes or 5 minutes and go with it to the upside throughout the stream. Let's see where it takes us. Let's look at Bitcoin first before we go to.
What would be your, you're going for about 30 pips or so?
Yeah, 30 pips to the upside, but I need a discount at least at $1.35.54 or so.
Okay.
I need it discounted around that level, and I'm gonna go to the upside. But my overall movement on this is to sell it put my stops just above this high there. If it wants to take out breakout traders there, then take it all the way to the downside.
All right. Fantastic. Let's wait and see how it'll play out.
Someone asked for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is dear Makar, my friend. I think this is what happened here on Bitcoin. Let me show you something here. I don't know, man, but I think breakout traders might be trapped on this movement. Remember, we had this high of 123,000. We broke above that 123,000 and touched 124,500. There was a lot of anticipation at 125, and we did not go there. So I think for me, Bitcoin essentially now might be ready for buy others. So this is something that we can possibly look for discounts and go to the upside. Reload exactly at 117. This was a good level to reload position to the upside. That's my take on Bitcoin, but try to see if you can find discount at $1 at 118,000. That's where we can potentially look to go to the downside on this. But I think a lot of breakout traders, because remember, once you see all-time high being violated, what are you getting? Retail traders are reloading, getting more positions to go to the upside, right? And I think a lot of them are stopped out. A lot of them are panicking at this point. I actually wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin is going to consolidate and pick up others for the next coming week. Then that's when it's going to go to the upside. I wouldn't be surprised if it does that.
I think so too.
Yeah.
So let me just look to see. Let's make a position here.
Gold, guys. I've been on the sideline. Hey, gold is giving me a headache these days, man. Like, I can only. What levels did we have there? 3,370 per ounce, right?
Sure. Let me go back, man. And don't memorize price. But my chart's still there. But I know it actually reacted on that minor zone I spoke about on Wednesday.
Yeah, It was 3,370.
375, yeah.
It reacted at that price. Went back down. We are still playing within the box. Again, we spoke about this on Wednesday. You don't want to find yourself playing between 3,360 and 3,340. You don't want to find yourself playing within that box there. Right. So my take on this is that as much as we had I would say a temporary downward trend here on 15 minutes, I wouldn't mind buying this all the way to that 360, but my concern will be, why would I buy it if it's still playing within a consolidation level?
Box, yeah.
Because it's still in the box, right? So
sure.
I don't want to entertain gold at this point, man. Like, and I know some of you, maybe you have good setups there because we are trading different time frames, right? But as for me, I don't see anything here on gold. Ango, what's your take there on gold?
All right. So yesterday, as a friend of mine, I had a confirmation on the shorts. So remember, if you remember on Wednesday, I spoke about this level here being a possible minor supply zone for a continuation to the downside, right?
Yeah.
Around 335, what was it? 375, right? So we had the tap and we got the confirmation yesterday.
Sorry to cut you off there, Uncle. I think I'm gonna take German. I think I'm seeing something here on German, but carry on.
No,
carry on.
If we take, remember, for me right now, it's still commentary. So let's look at German, and we'll come back to this one. Let's look at what you're taking. We'll come back.
Let me do this. What time is it? I think German is ready, guys. Papa Jamie is about to. Oof.
Yeah.
Can you see
You're
it?
taking shots, huh?
I want to take a shot, man. Like I really want to kill this thing, like
Do it.
in and out, like in and out.
OL exit. And hey guys, I'm telling my friend, not everybody. So please, this is not financial advice, although.
24,470. Sure, this is a beautiful.
I just sell it, boy.
Oh,
Sell it, boy.
you know my only concern about this, right? And I'm sorry, guys.
Yeah.
I know we're looking at Germany, guys, but we are here to make money at the end of the day. Let's try to make this money again on Friday. My only concern is this thing, man. It's being so accurate, respecting 24,550, and 23,950. Look at how accurate it is, man. Like from the 10th of July, we've been tapping this, and I don't know if it's really respecting it or it's man.
It's respecting it,
It's respecting so much. This thing has so much respect. German has so much respect. I think I'm gonna let it pass. I think I'm gonna let it pass. You know why I'm saying?
Us here to let it pass.
No.
Yeah.
But hey guys,
That's a lot. You must remember, I don't trade it.
this is my children's. This is my children's money, guys.
Next time they see me, they go, whatever longer. We want the trailer, buy us the trailer.
Exactly. You're gonna buy my kids.
It's a good
setup, man. It's a perfect setup, man. I've been just watching because remember this thing was up by 0.40%. Now it's up by 0.11. Now the strength again just coming from nowhere. 9 o'clock has already hit. Sellers again might come in late. Buyers would be trapped on the wrong side, right? But okay, for those of you that are saying German is a good sell, everyone is just saying sell German. Even you are
OLX. You see, the thing with me is just that when I don't trade it, so you see, the nice thing, and it's frustrating me because it's reacting on all levels that I was anticipating. Respected this level, we spoke about it, that was on Thursday last week or Tuesday. It was on Tuesday actually. Respected this level, saw this area as well, it's respecting as well. But the interesting part for me is that what do you normally do in a case like this? What's the reason? Look, you've got everything aligning with your technicals, right?
Yeah.
For the sell.
Yeah.
And you are deciding not to execute. Okay. What is the reason behind it?
Very good question. So according to my trading plan, when I take these German setups, right, and I know if it goes my direction, it's going to pain me a lot. But according to my trading plan, I cannot take German setups close below VWAP as much as it has trapped, right? If I have a major support or resistance, right? Okay. On a different side. So let me give you an example. Remember we spoke about this. It was me and you. We had our own private session, right?
Sure.
Remember we spoke about this level here, 23,950. There was a time I spoke to you. It was in the afternoon. You remember? And I was looking at it lining up nicely. And I was like, Uncle, I really need to take this. And I ended up not taking it. And even though I took it the next day, right? So as much as there was a buy here, a close above VWAP at 24,000. We had a close above VWAP at 24,000. The thing is, my trading plan doesn't allow me to take a buy if I have a previous test on a support or a resistance, right? So that's why I couldn't take it the other day.
Sure. I remember you did say.
You remember? I didn't take it the other day, and the following day it gave me a good opportunity. Why? Because it confirmed that we are done at that level. There is volume that was trapped there. We are done, right?
Sure.
So this might be premature for me to take it, but the concern again, look at 1 hour. There's money here, Uncle. There's no one who cannot tell me that there's no money lining up here at 24,550. And I don't want to be part of a swipe because this is what can potentially happen. Swipe 24 550, then go my direction. So I don't want to be a victim of that, you understand? Like, I want to give it a room, but man, this is a beautiful setup, man. But I cannot break my rules. I really cannot break my rules, guys. As much as it's juicy, it's tempting, I cannot break my rules. I'm exactly at a major resistance. I cannot. I'm sorry, guys, but yeah. If this thing was like this, maybe got away from this and we started seeing something like this, then I was gonna take it. That's why even Nasdaq, Nasdaq I think is the one that gives me a better opportunity in this regard, because I'm far away from that high, so far away. I mean, this thing has proven that, look, we took off from that level, so we are done at that level. So if we break below it, like so, that can give me a confirmation that, look, we can now go to the downside. Because why? We are done with that. So you know that the money that was left around there, market maker possibly dealt with that, all the orders that were there, whether they were breakouts or whatever. But at this point, there's no confirmation if this thing is done. So I cannot break my rules, guys. I'm sorry. As much as I would have loved to do this. This, by the way, was going to be my fifth German for the week, and I was gonna have a very good streak, because from Monday I've been taking all German, won all of them, only broke even one. Again, I don't want again, we usually talk about psychology on this stream, right? I don't want to get ahead of myself. Let me go back to the drawing board and respect my trading plan. That's it, folks. As much as it's tempting, I cannot. I'm sorry, I cannot.
You see, that's the thing that a lot of the times people don't really get. Like, there's one thing about a trading method or strategy, right? And there's another thing about your plan and following the plan. So as good as that looks, and I think I kind of agree with you here. In fact, you made me realize something on this German. Yes, I don't trade it, but remember, the reason not to trade it is not that there's no strategy for it.
Yeah.
It's just personal, and I don't it's not part of my trade plan for emotional and psychological reasons, right? Emotional. But how can a man like me be emotional? You know, so no, but here's my take. If you look at the setup that I've just drawn here, I think I kind of agree with you here. Now, as tempting and as good as this looks, using this, I still see that there could still be some liquidity just in this upper bands before it can go down. So 24, what's this? 24,606. We could possibly get a push to the upside first, and then the drop comes. Yeah, then the drop comes, because yet again, everybody's looking at this level here, right? Everybody's looking at this level here, and this level, as good as it looks, it could possibly be a trap, because we've got equal highs there. So with the equal highs right on that particular level, a lot of liquidity traps, man. And there's just a maximum pain level just above. So I do think we can get to 24,606 and then shoot
then to the drop downside. To the downside. Now you are a victim. You understand? Now you are a victim. You got stopped out, and this thing goes your direction. So hard choppers. I would have loved to be Papa JB, but it is what it is, guys. It is what it is.
But you know what's funny? You make us run here, and we come here and we're like, Yazala. I'm kidding. We're all excited. Papa JB Pella said, Jamie.
We're about to give the jam.
Yeah, but this, hey, you see these type of things, bro. Like, sometimes it's so important to just zone out a little bit and watch. And I think yesterday when I was with a friend of mine, I was saying to him, just because a setup looks good, it doesn't mean you have to act. Just be patient a bit, wait a little bit and see. Just observe everything first, because if you can, sometimes the biggest mistake that we make is that we then act impulsively, and we don't end up seeing what the market is actually printing,
Sure.
and then we can only see that in hindsight, only say, but there's a trap. I could have waited, I could have done this, right? So yeah, this was actually a good example and a good psychology lesson.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, guys, the market doesn't go anywhere. Right? The market doesn't go anywhere. You will still find this market. But I hated to come back to my trading setups or my where I'm trading, and I'm just thinking I broke my rules. Like it makes me feel so dirty, because the more I break my rules, the more I worry about the future of this company. You understand? Because
absolutely,
if you are breaking rules as a business person, like the rules that you have set as a business person, then the people that are under you are not safe at all. They have no future at all.
And the system to make money. I mean, if you got revenues that are coming in a particular system, if you break the system, it's not gonna come.
Yeah. Because remember, think about it, Uncle. So let's say you are trading an account where your employees are highly dependent on that trading account, right? It's just a typical example. Like you're having people that are working for you, and salaries are coming from trading account. Typical example.
Sure.
And it's month end, then they are not getting paid. And when they ask why are we not getting paid? No, we didn't make enough money this month. Okay, why is that? No, I broke the rules. Do you think those people are still going to see you as somebody that understands how to run a company?
Kenya did turn on new CVs, update your CV.
They're gonna leave you, bro. They're gonna leave you. So
they leave it.
Rather have the pain of missing a trade that went your direction than to experience a pain of losing money, regret. Because you're gonna be experiencing regret and you're gonna be experiencing losing money. Two things. So I'd rather have just the pain of seeing something go my direction and didn't give me that money, but I still have money to make more money the next day. That's it.
Absolutely. Can I disturb you just a little bit?
Sure.
Because I'm a little bit late on this one.
What is it?
AUD CAD. You know me.
You've started with your thing.
You know me, bro. No discrimination.
Yeah,
I know the choppers didn't tell me what to look at for them.
No,
so
you are a rainbow. You are an example of a rainbow nation.
Rainbow nation.
You're an example of a rainbow nation.
So I'm going long on this one here, and this is the reason I was waiting for this flavor. In fact, I should have entered earlier. I was watching it, but now I've decided not to watch it and actually execute it. I am looking to go to the upside with this one. It's gonna give me about another 150.
4 hours.
4 hours. Yeah, you know, bro. You know.
I know you. You're gonna hold this throughout the weekend, right?
Yeah.
All right. By the way, I don't want to mention something because I wanted to say. By the way, the broker we are using doesn't have swaps and commissions, so Uncle will be safe to hold it the whole weekend.
We holding. We are going in. So yeah. So my take on this here is sometimes I'll use line charts just to remove a lot of noise from the candlesticks, especially with these exotics and stuff.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, I'm looking to take advantage of a little bit of this move to the upside here, about another 100 pips or so. 1:2 gives me 1:2, almost 1:3. 45 pips stop loss.
Yeah.
Ideally, I should have entered when it got to my zone exactly, but we're still not too far off from that. I'm looking to take it to the upper band here, so I'm gonna wait and see how this one. I've already executed.
Oh, you're already in?
Yeah, I'm going in, Baba, but no food my game.
By the way, guys, if you're going to take the same trade, Souls didn't say you must take it. Souls didn't say you must take the trade, eh?
I think I must say it in different languages. I am going in. Kia tsena, ngiya ngena. And don't ngena. Don't jena. Yes, don't jena. Yeah, so yeah, but let me see how this one will play out. So already in, not so great, but it's fine. I'm gonna go in on this one. I'm still waiting for this Euro NZD, man. I'm still waiting for this Euro NZD. Want to see how it'll push to the upside. But yeah, that's okay. I also had a CAD JPY. I saw somebody actually ask me what do I think about USD JPY. I'll show you now. I had CAD JPY and USD JPY as well. So let me quickly finish off with this CAD JPY. I think we've got unfinished business. We tapped into the zone. I'm not in the traders yet. I just didn't like it reacting of this 4 hour zone, but I do anticipate it to break to the upside. I do see. I am gonna go long, in fact, on this thing here. I'm just waiting now to see the right time for it, right? And that's the thing about being obsessed with trying to enter very early, or rather trying to have a very small stop loss. Okay, I'm gonna wait. This is my outlook for today, man. I'm gonna wait for. Let me put an alert. I'm gonna wait for CAD JPY to get to 106.440. Then my SLs, obviously, I'm taking based on the 4 hour side. Looking to push this. Actually, target this area here. Gwenja, you don't trade UJ, no?
Nope.
Okay. Hey, the chopper saved me, by the way, on Wednesday, remember?
Huh?
Kevin, the chopper thing saved me on Wednesday.
By saying don't take UJ.
Yeah.
But choppers know their story, man. The people that are on this stream are dangerous, dangerous traders. That's just that German there is still playing around at that level.
So in the New York session is gonna be quite interesting for German, though.
Yeah,
Not
so
one to
much,
watch.
so much. I think as much as I want to, I don't want to promise the choppers anything, man. I almost said let's stream New York. I don't want to promise the choppers. Huh?
Why not?
Stream New York.
Why not? Let's get more likes and then we can stream New York today.
Yeah, if we get 100 likes, we're gonna stream New York today. We're gonna stream again New York. If we get 100 likes.
I think let's do that. Let's do that. Okay, cool. I've got my pendings. Pendings on CAD JPY. That's fine. I'm happy with it. I'm gonna go long. Let me look at UJ. I just forgot who was asking for UJ. Similar stuff on UJ. Let me see. Yesterday, man, I went hunting this of it. Yesterday.
Yeah, they say Uncle loves currencies. I think Source is a forex trader. You are a typical. You are a forex trader. You are a forex. Udlala u-forex kakhulu.
Ngiyawudlala forex.
When you are a forex trader straight.
Yeah, heavily on this. Okay, this is what I would do on UJ, University of Johannesburg. Like this, yeah. So we're getting those likes for the stream at New York.
No, not really.
Not really. Okay.
Maybe
We'll stream together.
Choppers are not interested. They're like, it's Friday. What are you guys looking at?
We'll stream together.
Yeah, Choppers are like, it's Friday. You guys wanna stream what? For what?
Should we do it on a thing, on a Teams stream, a private Teams stream?
Yeah, we can do that.
First target obviously around here, and then go. I want to have stops below the low because I do see that it could still come here. Let me see what lies down here. Hey, but this thing, man, is too much of a. Okay, I think we can have this one. It's not a problem.
Informative channel is saying German 40 is a sell today. Safe TP 24,220 50 cents.
Okay, so this is not gonna be the one. I'll not take that zone, although I'll observe it, but I'm looking at 146. 146, 116. 146, 116, yeah. So it's just this to be green.
What's your plans for the weekend? Hey man, are we still on for tomorrow?
Yeah, we should be. What
are you complaining about now?
That is Pirates coach and I'm bored.
Yeah?
That's Pirates coach and bored. Yeah.
Are you playing against Sundowns tomorrow, bro? Like let me just console you now before the match, eh?
Yeah. They won't bother them, man. If you don't mess up the working thing. What's like you get a trade that's floating in profit, and then if you just put 10 lots on a different direction. Just manage the trade, man.
Yeah. Hey, Chiefs is cruising nicely these days, eh?
Those ones don't worry about those ones. Don't worry about paraffin fire. Don't worry about it.
Oh, it's paraffin fire now. Just because it's on top of the log.
They've been on top every season. When it starts, they're on top. Cremora, it's not inside, it's on top. But anyway, let's look at USD JPY. So this is my outlook on USD JPY. I think this is the setup that I'd wait for. New York session is going to be interesting, bro.
I think let's trade New York. Yeah. If we don't get 100 likes, it's fine. We can do it together.
Let's do that. New York sessions going to be
interesting.
Waheng
is saying stop hating, man. I guess you're saying they must stop hating on Chiefs. Yeah, no, Chiefs will win the league. We won Man City. Not even Man City. We won PSG. We want PSG combined. Let them make a squad. PSG combined with Madrid and City.
You guys are sounding like all those boys now that thing. That those ape something. What ape? What? I go in. Cheers. Imagine traders. This was.
No, but on the real, we winning the league, man. We're winning everything this season. Tell me something, bro. Like, is it Saleng and Pule? They left Pirates.
Yes.
Pule,
it's a while. It's last season already. Saleng is just on loan, but he's gonna leave.
He's on loan to Orbit College.
Orbit, yeah, going back home.
And Pule is with Siwelele.
Yes, they sold them to Super
What do you
Sporters.
think of that Siwelele team, man? Gayton McKenzie's team.
It's good for the town of Free State. It reminds me when I was growing up in Free State, Celtic men used to unite Free State. So it's good for the town of Free State, but I think nothing about it. I just think it's good for the town. That's it.
This thing of buy. So they bought a status.
Yeah, they bought Super Sport.
Man.
So there's nothing. There has to be participators in the league, so they will do what they do, what they are, participators in it.
Yeah, but you're killing one town. I mean, you're taking a team from Pretoria. You're taking it. Why did they sell Super Sports? Well, by the way, what happened there?
It wasn't making money. I don't know why, but I don't think it was making money. You guys are getting your favor, Fela Kamalom. You don't buy t-shirts, you don't do anything. So, hey, this is a good level, bro. This okay, 146, 157. I think this is how I'd wait for this UJ.
What time frame is that? 15.
Yeah, 15. So I'd wait patiently for 146, 157. Do you know a Super Sport fan, a supporter, like a real Super Sport supporter?
Yeah, I know.
Everybody is a Chiefs or Pirates fan, and then they branched out, went to other teams. Everyone is Pirates and Chiefs.
We used to support when I was Super Sports. When I was at Super Sports Academy, we used to support it.
Yeah. You just never support Super. I think
we used to support. Did you play? What is it called? Remember, not Danone.
Chappies.
No, not Chappies, man. I played Chappies one season, then the other season I was old for Chappies. There was a thing, man. Spelele. What is it called? There was something, man, by Super Sports. Remember? It was a tournament every year.
Oh no, I didn't play. I didn't play that. I remember they had one anybody that by the tax field.
Yeah, so it was at TUT and tax.
Then tax, sure. Yeah, I didn't.
It was having a Zulu name, man. What was it?
I forgot that. By that time, I wasn't playing Kontong and because I only played at
Pumelela. Is it Pumelela?
Pumelela, yeah, that's Pumelela.
Yeah, it was Pumelela. Eh?
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't. So I played Pumelela. By the way, guys, if you don't know, this soccer thing, we've played it.
And now I get people that would always say, "Well, now with that body, you should play rugby." I'm like, yeah, you must come see me on the field, Baba. Sharpen is by 2:30 in the fire plan.
Yeah, but people who can play soccer, man, they don't have a physique for soccer.
Most now.
Yeah, you take them for granted and they embarrass you. Secretary General was asking me, am I looking for buys for this? McDonald's. You played McDonald's. Which one was McDonald's? I remember. Remember, there was a McDonald's.
There was McDonald's.
Yeah, but it was for under what?
Was it not 15? 15 plus. 15, yeah, 15 below. McDonald's was 15 and below, bro.
Yeah.
15 and
remember
below.
There was McDonald's. Koro is asking, what position did you play? So, man. My favorite obviously used to be right wing. I'm very quick, by the way, but I have a way of doing central defensive midfield as well. Just distributing, you know.
I was shut up all over now.
You played what, Souls?
I played my main position as striker. But when I went to trials, I'll play right back.
It's always the case. If you wanna typical location boy. Every time you go to trials, you always choose defender.
Yeah, right back. There's not a lot of you, and it's easy.
Exactly.
I mean, I'm skillful, so I got that skill.
Exactly.
They choose you first. So
Exactly. Yeah, you are typical, my friend. You're very typical. Do you guys trade
that's
commodities? Yeah, we do, my friend. We do trade we trade everything. We trade everything. SG was asking, do I want to buy German? No, I'm not looking to buy German.
I
I'm not.
think I'm also doing this user for him. I haven't taken that buy. Remember, I was waiting for confirmation on user. I could take it today though. Let's wait for New York. So let's wait for New York. What are the streams? It would be nice, man, to get a stream on New York.
Yeah, but the likes are still under 100, my friend.
It would be nice to go for.
Mr. President, you don't look like a soccer player. Really? It was. Oh, do I even have? Let me try to see if I have my. Oh, I don't even have a. So as they say, I don't look like a soccer player. What do you say?
But on that story of my life, I also get that a lot of times. So I'm asking myself, oh, what does a soccer player look like? Mahopa.
What is it? What's Mahopa?
You don't know Mahopa?
The pirate guy, the pirate striker. Why are you not buying gem, Mr. President? No, I cannot buy gem because it's too high. It's too high. It's too high. I cannot buy it now. Wow.
Almost at this euro USD, almost at the price. Let me just get an alert here so we don't miss it.
What's your alert there? My alert is $1.1684.3. What's your alert there?
Another 68 68.5. Look, for me, it's just I wanted to tap in here and then I'll scale in onto, if it's on a 15 minute, I'll scale onto either 5 minutes or 1 minute to get my entry. But I'm just placing an alert just so that I know we are in the zone, and then I start looking for entries once we're in the zone.
All right. Very close to your zone, by the way.
Very close. Okay.
Barma Hopa looks like a defender. What's your
Yeah, man, that guy, football nicks. Hono trapper, that guy, man. You can't play football and don't know how to trap.
Mahopa reminds me of Gabuza.
Hey, man, it's another one. Yeah, man, I get emotional on football, but so we shouldn't even talk about football while streaming. Especially pirate players. Hey,
pirate players.
So I once met Gabuza when I was still thinking. So we went out to some event and ran into Gabuza by the bathrooms. There, I told him, "Scrap, bro."
Yeah.
But I feel sad for these guys, bro. There's one time I saw this documentary, this pirates thing. Yeah. Hey, man, these guys were crying, bro.
Crying?
They were crying. They were saying, like, they were actually talking about. I remember, I think it was Mponchan, one of the pirates keepers.
Yep.
He had to play. I think the same week he lost his son, And he's like, it's so painful when you give everything to a club and then the supporters meet you, and then they start swearing at you. And I felt it, bro. That it's shame, man. Because after all, they're human, but yet again, it's like, hey, man, we are emotionally invested. So, but I felt sorry for them. Then I stopped criticizing them that much, especially in public. In my house, well, I'd swear at them, but they never hear it, so it only stays there in my house. My kids always laugh when I watch, even like this past Tuesday, hey, they were laughing.
You lost 2 games already, ne?
Yeah.
Don't say yeah. You lost 2 games, Chief. Just admit you lost.
Okay, sure. Yeah, we did. Let me admit, it's a fact.
You're number 1 on the log.
But 2 games, you can't be talking about numbers.
Numbers don't lie, my friend. Numbers are numbers.
You just entered trade and it's going into profit. You think you'll hit TP? But I retrace that thing. Yes, I'm not getting nice setups. I think most of the setups now, bro, they're gonna happen on New York. Huh? Yeah, we're gonna see nice setups on New York. I'm long on AUD CAD, by the way. That's the only setup I'm taking. AUD CAD, I'm taking it to those areas there just after 100. A break of this area, then I break even, and then I just relax. Break of 90.
I think we're gonna have Miss Gama join us shortly.
Okay, cool. It'll be interesting to see what she thinks of Gold. Silver is cooking, wait for minor retracement, then we sell. Okay, I think I'm also, silver. I think so. Silver looks good, my friend, also. Silver looks good for the short. Hey, hang on. I might do something here. Hey, thank you, Zino. I did a thing is set up yesterday, and I was not gonna look at it today. I might go long. Yeah, I'm gonna go long on silver now. Wait just a second. Let's see. Inducement. I'm not go long on this thing. I see something. Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Bitcoin, we've already analyzed the Bitcoin, my friend. We've already done that. So where is it? Where is the Bitcoin that we analyzed? I think if you are not on longs on Bitcoin, this is your retracement back to 117,600. This is where one could have bought this Bitcoin and go with it to the upside. So if you are not in already, try to see where you can get a discount, maybe around 118 or so, then you can simply go to the upside. But if you are not yet in, you're already late. I mean, you could have taken this buy there on this indecision candlesticks and this rejection candlesticks around 117,600. So yeah, that's my take on Bitcoin. German guys, like I said, I'm still on the sideline.
Chips is at an all-time high. The comments are funny.
No, I agree. Chiefs is on the all-time high. By the way, guys, I'm no longer a fan of Skukune United. I'm back with Chiefs.
Chips.
That's what happens when you're being a traitor.
You even forget. You just leave a long pause.
I even forget the name of my team.
Alzino, thank you for this thing, man. I just saw some longs here on silver, so I'm gonna take that too. So 2 trades, AUD CAD and silver. Going long on silver. Let's-
Yeah. Guys, you know this thing of you calling me a dictator is actually not true. How can I even change the channel when my team is losing? How can I? But it is okay, guys. It is okay. It is okay.
Silver. And if silver is going up, what is happening to gold? Quentin, you wanted to buy gold, no?
Yeah.
But you decided to stay out.
Yeah. I wanted to buy it.
Okay,
I would have bought it $3,340 per ounce.
I've just taken longs on silver. I think silver for
Because
me
of correlation, does it give you more confidence to buy?
Yeah,
silver?
but I don't have a. Yes, no. Silver has a setup,
Okay.
a playbook setup. Gold doesn't. So yeah, I think I'll stick with silver. Yeah, I'll stick with silver. Going long on silver.
Yeah, choppers, like the stream, guys. If you really want the thing, the New York session. If you want the New York session, it's actually simple, guys. Just like the stream, like the stream. That's it.
AUD CAD is achieves. It just got into profits, but it's achieves at this stage. Gold is moving sideways. I think so too. So I think for me, yeah, silver looks a lot much better as opposed to thing. No smaller time frames and just want to push to the upside at gold.
What time is the match tomorrow?
It's 3 p.m. Silver diggers. Savage man.
What is Savage saying?
The silver diggers. Kaya savage kaya na wakakala mablomo kintone. Kingovit. Savage. Was it a flowers cup? Was it a date? There's a date, I think. Did you guys got the date?
I don't know.
Well, you don't also do. You don't have a portfolio, swing portfolio, bro. Like
No, crypto.
General. I must baptize you for that.
Yeah, crypto. I am looking for, and I know one can say, Mr. President, are you looking at the head and shoulder? You know these things, guys. Like, I don't even stress much about them. All right, I think we have reached price peak on WTI, $61.35 per barrel there on WTI. My take on this is I'm going to be bullish on it. I mean, this thing is extremely bearish, and I know, again, counter guys. I think sellers might be trapped on the wrong side. You broke below $62, went down to $61. You had $1 in the money there. Retested back at 62.35 cents, and minute got trapped at this level, went back up. I think at this point I'm gonna wait for a close above VWAP, then I'm gonna be long on WTI. So Harold, I'm long, my friend, on WTI. I'm gonna be long on WTI. Then that's when I can execute to go to the upside. So yeah, I'm long there, my friend. Let's have a look at that German, guys. I saved myself some money there, guys. The importance of following your trading plan. I would have been close to stop loss by now. The importance of following your trading plan.
Yeah, that trap.
Nah, there was a serious trap there.
24606. I think New York session will start when I have pressures over this.
Yeah.
New York session will have a pressure.
Malawi is asking, Mr. President, which platform are you using for your crypto portfolio? CFD, my friend. Octa. To 10,000 subscribers. How many of you need Choppers merchandise? How many of you need Choppers merchandise? T-shirts, hoodies, caps. I think it's time, Uncle.
Absolutely.
I think it's time for us to have our own uniform.
Absolutely. That would be dope. So we are going into summer now, no silky pajamas as much. Maybe we should have.
I thought we were on the same page, bro. Like, I thought today me and you were on the same page. I thought we were on the same page.
I like this trade against silky pajamas. Chop us. That euro dollar just got into that zone. So
oh yeah, by the way, has it hit your alert? Hey, it also hit my alert. When was this?
just
Why didn't I get another? Oh, I did 4 minutes ago. $1.1684. All right.
so normally once it taps into a zone like this,
Let me try to put Miss Gama on the stream. Informative is saying, Mr. President, is now is the time to sell German. Nah, no, my friend. Nah. Still. The thing here was not to sell it at the high. The issue here was 24,550. That was the issue there. So Not yet. Why are you still there?
Wire. You're going nowhere. Let's see.
I need to get them that clip of yours, man.
The wire.
The wire clip. Right, we've got Miss Gama there.
Morning, choppers. Phew, what a morning. I'm still kind of busy with clients. What's happening?
Is it raining in Cape Town?
Yeah, cloudy.
Cape Town, perfect.
I love it. You know, we love it. It's just like, it's time to wind down. It's time to hibernate.
President, let's make enough money and go hibernate. For me, that's what I heard.
Morning, Savage. What you guys looking for?
What's your take on gold, Ms. Gama?
For now,
Yeah.
gold is depressing me. For now, I want to stay out. It's still that. Yeah, I know it's not shimmering. It's still. I got in and it kicked me out, but I think I should have listened to my intuition with the 3370 mark. So right now I'm out of gold. I'm actually looking at JPY, GJ rather, the pound yen trade. That's what I'm looking at now.
Okay, interesting.
I'm going to keep away from. I'm staying away from this thing. From gold. What are your thoughts on it?
GJ.
Yeah.
Actually, interesting one. I didn't actually look at it.
A nice sell that's possibly going to kick in, not now, because it's oversold. Maybe let me share my screen. Where are you now? What is that? 4 hour. Move it to the 1 hour. Let me see.
Where's your screen, Mush?
Oh shit. Let me just. Is this it? Yeah. Can you see it?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay, so the reason why I'm seeing a short, just to go back to the daily, is because it's broken out of this bull trend here. This seen as a retest there, and this is what I'm seeing. So at this point, concentrate on this blue trend line. And if I move it to the hourly, it then makes sense to you. That's that 4-month trend line up there, which it is encountered. Now this would, once it trades below, I mean that level there I have at 199.15, I think it then it ends this whole kind of retest move and could do the downside because it's already failed to breach. Remember this is the one from the daily chart. This trend line here is from the daily chart. So it kind of met the ceiling a few times there. And this particular point in time formed a lower low. And now I see a bit of downside also, if you look at the daily, the RSI is coming off an overbought position, so that could just create a bit of downside on the hourly. But I'm going to wait for this RSI to tick back upwards. Then once it trades through there, I am going to take a short.
Okay. So you're gonna wait first for the RSI to tick back up?
Yeah. So I'll wait for that because it's an hourly. But you know what I do is I look at the hourly, but I trade according to the 15 minutes says to me.
Oh, okay.
So if I trade a daily chart, I look at what the entry point with the hourly. If it's the hourly, I entry point with the 15. If it's a 15, entry point with a lower time frame.
Okay. Interesting.
What's your take on gold there, Ms. Gama?
Just stay out. That 33.70 mark it's struggling. Let me see. This is the daily. Let me just see. Sorry, my chart is look at this. It's. You see, that's the retest. This is what is happening. So breakout, retest, failing. So this, I don't know, man. The thing is, it's such a, because the interest rates are going to be coming out next month. Well, the US is going to announce whether they're cutting or they retaining them, leaving them unchanged. I think that will be the deciding factor for gold, because if they do cut, then dollar is not going to look attractive anymore. And if it isn't, then gold may just go upwards. So I think until I know what the interest rate, unless there's a really credible move, I think at this point we might see gold pull back. But in September, if there's a really credible move, we may see gold go back upwards if the US cuts interest rates. Otherwise, gold is just going to pull back. So that's my thinking with gold. I'm going to refrain from entering any position because this is just messy. Unless it's like you're trading a 5-minute chart or whatever, 10, 15. But on the hourly and daily, it's messy. And I prefer the hourly chart to trade on the hourly because time. It gives me time, you know?
Okay.
All right.
What is your take, sir? What's your take, Mr. President?
Same as you. We are on the sideline. 337. We're waiting for a violation of that level before we can make sound decisions. So this thing is still consolidating. So we are having a consolidation between. Let me see. We're having a consolidation level there between 3370 and 3340. So right now this thing is just moving sideways. I don't think it's wise to entertain gold at this point because you might be trapped in consolidation. So let's see if we can violate it, this 337, and we can make decisions from there, or break below 3340. Yeah, so that's our take on gold. But thank you for tuning in.
3340.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we also have 3330.
3330 for a short.
Yeah, that break below that level.
Okay.
Yeah, gold is dear makar, guys. Like, I'm not even entertaining gold at this point.
No, I'm also staying. Stressful.
Yeah, what's your plans for the weekend, Miss Gama? We're about to wrap up.
Ooh, so a friend of mine. Huh?
No, it's
a little girls' weekend to Kalk Bay. We've got a nice little house that we have sitting. I actually have 2 weekends where I'm going out of girls and little staycations. So that's what I'll be doing. Chilling in a house looking at the ocean.
You had to bring that, like you had to bring that up, like on purpose. Wow.
Because I'm not looking at the mountain, I'm looking at the ocean.
Hibernating.
Warmi and Cape Town all the time, but I just want to just enjoy. show you levels. You must come stream with me here.
The ocean, that place, it looks nice.
Bye, Cape Town.
No, you can stay
Pub.
with swimming pools, guys.
Pub,
Stay with
that's
swimming pools. Stay with swimming pools. They're just good enough.
Yeah.
Would
Or
you
your
stay?
public pool.
Would you stay in Cape Town, so?
Never.
It's not for everyone. It's not for everyone.
Too slow, bro. It's too
Yeah,
slow.
but it's quiet. Let's agree on that. It's too quiet.
The restaurants.
But like, what
everything is
type
slow.
of show? Like for what? Socially
Everything.
or for work?
For work, I mean,
Everything.
we are good to Mela, so for work,
Everything.
man.
Guys, Mina
There's
still got the
cameras
job.
everywhere on the roads. You can't speed. You can't do. Cape Town is far. London, Cape Town.
Yeah, nah, that place is quiet.
It's not Africa, bro. It's too. It's Europe.
I agree. That thing is
Why am
not
I
in
sensing
Africa.
subliminal jealousy?
It's Europe.
Yeah.
No.
What kind of a weather is that? I mean, it's sunny now in Johannesburg. We are about to get into summer. We are wearing t-shirts, by the way. It's, and you guys there, you're having your own weather. How do you have 4 seasons in one day?
It's
That's
so
Europe,
nice.
though.
Look at it. But Mr. President, what did you say the other time?
About what?
Must I remind? Must I tell
About
you?
what? About what? About what?
Remind us when I'm
About what? I
So
didn't say
one
anything.
day he calls me. He
Yeah.
goes, "So what's happening there?" You know how Mr. President is when he calls you.
So
So I'm like, no, the weather just. Alright, it's not secretly. I can khalela. You remember, Mr. President?
I don't like
I
Cape
just-
Town, guys. It's all a lie. I don't like Cape Town.
No, I was
can't-
like, khalela. When I saw that the weather was like, alright, I can khalela. Mr. P,
No, the only thing I
Wait
miss,
now.
the only thing I miss, guys, the only thing I miss is only the rain. That's it. That's the only thing I holla about Cape Town. The rain, nothing else. I wish we could have rain here in Johannesburg. That's it. That's the only thing.
Yes, guys, yeah.
Let's keep it
You know, when
going.
I get back, please can you make sure that you guys do your rain dances and all of that, because I want to come back to nice moisture. My skin, my hair is popping. Hi, Josie.
Yeah, but
Okay.
we have the
Rain
best.
dance.
We have the best weather, right? You can agree on that. Can we at least agree on that? Then?
The best everything.
Please, can I just have a rain dance? By the time I land, I want to see droplets.
You have the best everything.
Nah, you're right, bro. Cape Town is not Africa. Right?
That's not Africa.
Yo, and you know, it's so weird. We went out to have dinner at Willoughby's yesterday. Like, winter used to be just a low season for Cape Town.
Yeah.
Guys, it's not that.
It's not, ne?
The Arabs,
President, no?
the Arabs, everyone from the rest of Africa, it's like packed. I was like, there's no low season. There's no way Cape Town will never have money.
That's
Like in
what I said.
winter
It's
and in summer, because others run away from the heat where they are to come here for the coolness.
But that's
It's
the thing.
incredible.
That's the thing. They
It's
cannot.
incredible. Like,
They can afford. But you know what I've noticed, and I might be wrong, guys. What I've noticed is that food in Cape Town is not as expensive as here,
I keep telling people.
right?
I keep telling people.
Yeah, no,
Like,
food
Cape
there is
Town
cheap, man.
expensive.
Like
Cape
food
Town's
there is
expensive.
cheap.
Eh,
And good
Nothing.
quality.
And it has good quality. Yeah, I can, but your meat, your beef is not nice, Mush. Your beef is.
but if you want,
Whenever you going,
if you want beef, you go to Free State.
Nah. If you want beef, bro, go to Northwest. Nah, I disagree with that. If you want beef, you go to
I
Northwest.
heard about the free
Mona,
state.
the
Heard
plus
about
they
it.
very good. Hey, Mona, listen.
The best,
Yes.
the best.
2000 free state.
No, the
Fresh
best.
start, that's the
Nah,
best beef.
I disagree.
No,
I disagree.
I agree with Sos.
Nah, obviously you're gonna
Fresh start.
agree with so.
Yeah.
No, but maybe Mr. P,
Meat.
maybe donkey.
Are we really going there? Are we really going there?
Maybe donkey.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, that's
We can end the stream now. Like now we can end the stream. The stream can end now. Yeah, we've been doing too
I
many
know I got
minutes.
mad laugh for you.
The stream can end
got
now.
mad.
don't see that.
There's a place,
no, first-
the place called Texas. It's called Texas, right? The Texas of South Africa is a place in Vryburg in the northwest. The best beef you can ever find is there.
Okay,
The land
take
is
us.
the land is so fertile there. Like the cows there, not the cows in Free State, they eat plastic diapers and
fire plaster, so. Yeah, lighting here.
Yeah,
Hey, you get next me.
no, you always a trip to Northwest then.
yeah, I'll take you to Vryburg. The thing is far, that place. Yeah.
It's dusty.
It doesn't matter, we're fine, we'll
Dusty.
go. We want to test this.
Imagine,
Sophie and I want to
Mush.
test this.
Mush,
Yeah?
no, you go alone. It's fine. I don't want you
Ah,
come from the
so-
ocean to go see dust.
Nah, bro,
That
it's not
place is
that.
dusty, man.
Free State itself, and it's felt that's J Brown. Let's
It's brown. Come back, your eyebrows will be brown, eyelashes brown.
I get my thick ones.
Don't get me started with Free State, bro.
No,
Like,
but I take him to first state, but not in winter. You'll die in winter. It's cold that place.
Yo, it's cold. I've had the tap when you open it up, and it's just like frozen.
It's cold that place. My son, when he was young, he said, like, "Hey, they have white grass here." So we went in winter. It's cold that place.
I'll take you guys to
Yeah.
Vryburg. You will tell me
Please, man, I'm in.
the best meat ever, especially cow.
I'm in.
Thank you. You'll tell me. You'll do it. Then we'll do Zoom. We'll stream it.
How can you?
Okay, I'm gonna go in on euro dollar, bro.
You're already taking your sell.
Yeah.
Nah, bro. I would rather wait for New York. I can't take it now. I'll wait for you.
Right.
I'll wait for New York. I'll wait for New York. I'll tell you why I say I'll wait for New York.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm leaving a room for another swipe at $1.1694.
Sure.
So I don't want it
Because my-
to take me out then drop during New York. You understand? Like, I don't
What would be your SL?
my SL obviously can be just above, because I'm gonna take it on 15 minutes. So let's say, for example, I take it now.
Sure.
If I take it now, my SL will be just above that level that I put there on 116.94, and look at my TP will be down there. So I'll rather wait for New York, bro. Like, I don't think it's ready, in my opinion. But
Sure.
I'll join you on this one during New York.
Yeah. Okay. I'm never already given at the Basi.
Yeah.
I'll be the marshal inside the bus. Hey, Gibelan, last trip to the downside. You don't get that in Cape Town.
No. You get those taxi ones.
Cape Town is on everything
The ones that are
sophisticated.
yelling.
That's what I don't like about Cape Town.
It's dry, bro. Cape Town is dry. Everything is dry there, man. Like, you don't.
There's cameras everywhere.
Ah,
Like
it's dry.
police are everywhere with donkey beers. Like, hey, Mona.
And that's a problem.
Hey, Mona. Hi, that's Europe, that place.
And that's the corruption. It's
We only see it in Europe.
like how Georgia secrets. You want to be.
Yeah, the traffic cops there, man. They look so formal. They're wearing like they're
Yeah, that's
serving
the
the
time I
queen.
pray when I see a traffic cop in Cape Town.
Yeah,
Can you
but-
bribe? Can
I-
you bribe?
No,
I
never.
forget my eyelids.
Can you bribe a thing in Cape Town? They
Never.
look all serious.
They
you
don't,
can't
they
make
don't
a
drink
joke.
cold drink.
Never. Don't
They
try.
don't drink cold drink, those ones.
No.
See, I was drink cold drink here. It's hot.
Tried. My friend went straight to jail, and I had to go in with him. No. Mm-mm.
Well,
They put
Hey,
him in
how
jail
you
for 1
doing?
hour for trying. No. This only time when I see a traffic cop, I pray in Cape Town. Josie, I just bet my eyelids.
Yeah, you know.
Good job. Malawi, yeah.
Totally. So he's saying I just took a buy on euro dollar and look at the emoji.
no, but there's nothing wrong. No, check this out. There's nothing wrong because remember one thing is that there's a reason why you took that buy, right? And us taking a sell is not doesn't necessarily mean that the market would go down. So yeah, let's wait and see how it plays out. Just make sure that you're following risk management. Your emojis are the funny thing, but the statement, there's nothing wrong with it. But
No, the emoji from here like yo nyenze.
like, hey, I never bought a shot. I've already taken the shot.
Yeah.
So 3 trades for me today. I think the silver one was a little bit of an early trade, but that's fine. I've got AUD CAD and I've got Euro dollar. Yeah, and then New York, we should see how everything plays out.
Yeah, man. Miss Gama, what do you have there? What are the trades you have there?
This is the GJ.
Are you still waiting on GJ now?
Yeah, I'm waiting for that RSI, and then Sebangena.
All right, myself it's EU, so I'm gonna join souls on EU during New York, and then I've got German at. Remember, I said what can possibly happen here is something like this, right? So I'm going to see how I can, how we are holding that 24,550 again, guys. The importance of following your trading plan. As you know, my trading plan didn't allow me to take a sell there, hence I didn't take it. I could have been stopped out by now, so all thanks to discipline. Choppers, thank you so much for your time, Miss Gama. The shows. Thank
Sorry,
you.
I got in late, guys.
It's okay, it's okay. As long as you are here and you told us about the bribery in Cape Town. That's what matters.
The island bribery.
Yeah. All right, so we are here. Someone was talking about Sunday, by the way. There's a comment here. Someone was saying we should do market recap on Sunday. We'll talk about it. But we know Miss Gama is busy with the Octa stuff on Sunday evening, so obviously she cannot join us. But yeah, Monday, guys, we are here, same time, same place.
Capiche?
So we can't stream New York because we didn't get 100 likes. It is what it is. If we had 100 likes, yeah, we didn't get 100 likes. So we said if we get
wait, let me like.
It won't make a difference. So we said if we get 100 likes, we're gonna stream New York session. We didn't get those 100 likes, unfortunately. So yeah, it's unfortunate. Choppers, thank you so much for your time, Miss Gama. Uncle, cheers, guys.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Chop, bye bye.